The last day of Tevar, I signed a movie called Shandar. And from that day, my journey as an actor started again. Because again, I started getting good work. I've always seen my glass as half full. I've never seen it as half empty. I heard the line. I thought the line was interesting. They made the Corona as the base and then it was a thriller. I always say कि मैंने कुछ अपनी जिंदगी में करेक्ट किया होगा कि जो आज 27-28 साल हो गए इस इंडस्ट्री में और मैं आज भी हूँ आपके सामने हूँ. डायरेक्टर से आज तक नहीं मिला अपनी जिंदगी में. मैं आज तक अभी तक प्रोड्यूसर से भी नहीं मिला हूँ.
Sanjay Kapoor sir, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
और ये पहचान पाना मुश्किल है कि अभी आप राजा के सेट से आप निकल के आए हैं या सिर्फ तुम के सेट से आप निकल के आए हैं.
नहीं, मैं इस वक्त अपने बेडरूम से निकल के आया हूँ.
you look still the same. ये राज क्या है?
कुछ नहीं, सबका प्यार, मोहब्बत, थोड़ी बहुत डिसिप्लिन और nothing, a lot of workout.
What sort of workout have you been doing? Like maybe say in the lockdown, maybe even before that.
Otherwise, I go to the gym, I do weights, and then I do cardio. आजकल जिम बंद है तो weights are closed. Actually, I had a wrist problem since December. Either way, I'd stopped doing weights. So it's continued. It's been 7-8 months, no weights. So just the cardio right now.
Just the cardio. And do you do any yoga or something?
I have had a lower back issue since 95. So I had a prolapsed disc while doing action during my initial days. And then those days, those गाने भी वैसे होते थे, कमर बहुत हिलती थी. Yeah, so since that time, I've been doing this yoga cum physio treatment, which I do every day of my life for about 20 minutes before I start my day. Whether I have a flight at 5:30 in the morning or 6 in the morning, I plan my time accordingly. 15 to 20 minutes I have to give to this stretching. Yeah. So I start my day like that. It's been 25 years now. Yeah. So in these 25 years, I can think मैंने अगर अपनी जिंदगी में आदमी कभी बीमार होता है या कुछ होता है तो probably 50 days in my life I must have missed it in these 25 days. Yeah. 25
That's
years.
Amazing. That is amazing. But I think yoga is outstanding. Yoga is something, and in terms of flexibility, and more people they're realizing it.
Yeah, so that's what I said. For me, that physio come yoga is I've been doing. So I guess that's what has helped me. And plus, I do my weights and cardio. So and disciplined life. I think so. Disciplined life is not that I don't go out and I don't have my share of fun and I don't have great food. But that doesn't mean that you can still have a disciplined life with that also. You don't need to, you do it once a week. It's fun. Otherwise, you should have a routine life.
So what exactly do you have in your diet?
Nothing. I eat everything. I've never dieted in my life. पिछले 1-1.5 साल से I just became a little more careful because as you grow up, your workout remains the same, but your body's metabolic rate becomes a little slower. So you need to just be a little careful. और एक अच्छी बात है कि मुझे मीठा नहीं पसंद है.
Okay.
तो हाँ, तो उससे मैं बच गया.
That surely helps. That surely, I think, I'm sure helps. Okay, and so the Gone Game के reviews बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. और अगर कुछ आप बताना चाहें कि that.
Well, OTT पे exactly entry नहीं है. In fact, मेरी जो पहली entry हुई थी वो Love Stories में हुई थी. Netflix में that was an anthology of 4 short films. Made by 4 brilliant directors, and Dibakar had directed me in Love Stories with Manisha and Jaideep Alawad. I was fortunate enough to get that film, and that changed a lot of things for me. That happened like 3 years back, so that changed a lot for me. And then I did a short film for Guneet Monga called Zindagi in Short. And my short film was called Sleeping Partner. I did that before this, and that was also, both these. I've been very, very fortunate that I did Love Stories, then Sleeping Partner, which was received immensely by the audience as well as the critics. And again, now with Gone Game, which I did for Woot, again, the same thing has happened. People have loved the show. There was a lot of apprehension when we started कि ये lockdown में shoot हो रहा है. हम अपने घरों से shoot करने वाले. That's what makes this more unique and more special. Because we shot it in lockdown. मैं आज तक किसी एक्टर से नहीं मिला. ना पहले मिला हूं उनसे, ना अब मिला हूं. Like मैं उनको कभी जिंदगी में नहीं मिला हूं. मैं निखिल भट्ट डायरेक्टर से आज तक नहीं मिला अपनी जिंदगी में. मैं आज तक अभी तक प्रोड्यूसर से भी नहीं मिला हूँ. So it was all through these Zoom calls and everything. So that's what makes, and then the way it has shaped up. The main thing is not that we did it. The way it has shaped up, the way people have appreciated that whole web show, it's really, really encouraging. And that shows that cinema, you can always learn. Like, I've been in this industry. My first films, I had 3 releases in 1995. I had Prem, Raja and Kartavya. So आज 25 साल तो सिर्फ मुझे मेरी release पे हुआ है. So actually I've been working for 27, 28 years. But even now, when I was shooting for Gone Game, I felt like very new, like a newcomer, because I was learning so much I was learning. So this industry, you can always, this craft is such that you can always learn. And and the way it has come out, जब मैंने खुद देखा, the day it came out at 12 o'clock in the night, I obviously I'd seen parts of it during dubbing. And when I saw it with the whole edit and background, I was shocked. I myself didn't feel we managed to do this in lockdown. And I think so the credit should go to Nikhil especially. Obviously, he's the director, the cameraman Piyush, and all the technicians involved. They've made it really, really special.
So since you guys shot in lockdown, so how exactly was the camera work happening?
Well, Piyush, the cameraman, told us to download this app called the Filmic Pro. Then we had actually a training session for a whole day, every actor. कि वो उसका सेल्फी कौन सा है, for focus what you have to do, circle face पे लाना है, फिर वो एक square होता है वो भी face पे लाना है, and then which one do you have to tap so that it remains constant, and then all the lenses and everything, and the framing and everything. So we had a proper lesson, each and everybody of us, for about 3 to 4 hours by Piyush, and then we got into it, and so it just that's why I said Piyush and Nikhil really, really helped us.
Right. And you have some very interesting actors along with you as well.
Yeah. So, people always ask me, so I'll tell you, okay, when I was offered this part, obviously, like when I heard के lockdown, एक तो उस वक्त 2-2.5 महीने हो गए थे हम घर पे बैठे हुए, तो कोई भी काम मिलता तो ऐसे लगा, खुशी हुई यार, दिमाग काम पे लगे तो better rather than getting, frustrated or desperate sitting at home. So I felt this is great that I'm getting work. To do something which I love. And then, but I had my own apprehension. I felt, it's not a short film of 10-12 minutes कि आप घर पे हो और आपने अकेले हो और कैमरा आप देख रहे हो. They're talking about a web show of 4 episodes. So then I heard the line. I thought the line was interesting. They made the Corona as the base, and then it was a thriller. But what convinced me was Nikhil, the director, once I spoke to him for half an hour. And then that time they were talking to the actors, none of us were finalized by then, but we all knew who's doing which part. And fortunately, everybody agreed. So those 2 things encouraged me, because I said with this kind of ensemble cast, be it Arjun, Shweta, Shriya, Ruksar, Dibendu, like such good actors to have on board, that encouraged me again. I think we can pull it off with this kind of a cast. So in fact, that encouraged me.
I really like your performance in Mission Mangal.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When you broke into that dance, I think it was.
वो dance भी कमाल है. अखिया मिलाए का जो मैंने dance किया है. Today is the time of remixes and everything. In my own song, Dilbar was remixed and it came in. I think Satyamev Jayate. And but I'm the only actor from that lot who has done his own remix and danced in his own song. So I'm fortunate. So when this Akhya Milai happened was when Mission Mangal mein when the movie released, I was not in town. I was traveling. When I came back, I went to PVR and saw the film. I think so it was the 3rd day or something. And the kind of response that song got, and people are not aware that I'm in the audience and everything. और जब वो picture खत्म हुई और लोग जब मिले मुझे, and they loved my work and they spoke about that song, and I just thought today how an actor doesn't die, his music, 25 साल पुरानी एक चीज, एक गाना जो ऑडियंस थी वो शायद उसमें से आधे पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे, और अगर पैदा हुए थे उस वक्त वो 4 या 5 साल के थे. But this kind of satellite and OTT and all have kept us actors so alive that when they meet us today, when I say alive, I mean like they're still, so everybody, like when they see us, they feel as if they know you, and they don't know anything about you. They saw my song again, and I think so relived that moment from 95, which I shot that song with Madhuri, and then today I shot that song with Vidya, and the appreciation and everything was so good that it was overwhelming. It was absolutely overwhelming.
So how do you look back at your career? You had a tough task because you had two successful brothers, and
well, yeah.
But I must tell you that you've handled yourself very gracefully, because it's a very tough industry. But you handle yourself very gracefully.
Every industry is tough. It's just that grass always looks greener on the other side. And rightfully, you've said this is a very, very tough industry. Yes, when I came, I had my share of success, blockbusters, flop, bad reviews, humiliation, praises. But that's the fun of it, अगर आपकी जर्नी पूरी स्मूथ हो, उतार चढ़ाव नहीं हो, तो जब नीचे जाते हो तो you can handle it. जब आप ऊपर जाते हो तो आपका दिमाग नहीं खराब होता, क्योंकि आपने वो पूरी जर्नी देखी हुई है. So yes, so my journey was full of hurdles. I've said it myself, and I don't hide about it. And then suddenly this digital platform came, and when my journey was going through a rough patch, suddenly this Lust Stories happened, and then I did a TV show. I must mention, I did a TV show called Dil Samjh Ja Zara for Star Plus. And those two things, where the industry was concerned, Lust Stories played a big, big part. But where the audience was concerned, Lust Stories and Dil Samjh Ja Zara both played a very big part. So it changed again. And today there is no looking back. I'm doing some great work. I've got some great, I'm working for the top OTT platforms. So yeah, I've always seen my glass as half full. I've never seen it as half empty. So that kept on going. And I always say कि मैंने कुछ अपनी जिंदगी में करेक्ट किया होगा कि जो आज 27-28 साल हो गए इस इंडस्ट्री में, और मैं आज भी हूँ, आपके सामने हूँ, इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ, गॉन गेम की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो कुछ तो सही किया होगा. It's very, very tough. You know it. You know a lot about the industry too. You are, directly or indirectly part of this line. You come in this industry, you can come and you can become a soda water and just vanish in 2-3 years. Yeah. So 27, 28 years, if you've lasted, so you're doing something right. Yeah. So I see it like that. And I never gave up hope. When I went through a phase myself where 4 years as an actor, I didn't get anything substantial. So I didn't do anything. I didn't face the camera for 4 years. But I got into production. This is the only thing I knew was films. And this is the only thing I love. So I got into production. I produced a film called It's My Life with Anees Bazmi. And then I produced a film 5 years back called Tevar. And then the last day of Tevar, I signed a movie called Shandar on the last day of shooting. And from that day, my journey as an actor started again. Because again, I started getting good work. It was not that I was not getting work, but I was not happy with what I was getting. So I didn't want to sell myself cheap. And when I say cheap, I don't mean commercially. I mean role-wise. I didn't want to do anything riff-raff that came my way just to be in front of the camera. Yes, I needed money to survive. I needed to take care of my family, my kids, my wife. So I got into production. So I made films, but I didn't do a bad film as an actor. And I think so that's what has helped me. Today I'm still doing main roles. That's the reason Dibakar, when he saw me, when I was going to the club where I go to exercise, and they were casting for Salman, they saw me. Suddenly, I had never met Dibakar. Yeah. He just saw me and he told me later that I just felt that I thought Salman passed away. Salman I'm playing, not Salman Khan. Salman was the character's name.
I've seen it.
Character's name in Lust Stories. And then we met in the night, and it just, everything gelled together. And within a week's time, I was shooting for Lust Stories. We started doing readings with Jaideep and Manisha. I'd already done 2 films with Manisha, but I never met Jaideep. But those readings made us so comfortable that this kind of a workshop, that when we were shooting the first day, because we were playing best of friends in the show. So in the show, when you see our body language has got that, if you can notice, there is a comfort level. And that I think so, which has changed. Like jo industry mein is waqt jo change hua 10 saal se, these kind of workshops makes the actor's life so much more easier. there's a lot of before you go on set, there's a lot of comfort for the actors now, because you've met the actors, you've met the characters. So when I'm playing Salman in front of the camera, it's not the first time I'm playing Salman. I have played Salman since the last 1 week. I know Jaideep is my dear friend. I've already had that interaction. Had these workshops not been there, मैं जयदीप को पहली बार सेट में मिलता, and by the time I would have got used to Jaideep, वो शॉर्ट फिल्म थी, 5 या 6 दिन में वो शूटिंग ही खत्म हो जाती. तो these workshops, yeah, these workshops really help them.